Question 51. Which of the following fungi is a rich source of protein? The correct answer for this is the mushroom. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question 52. Streptomycin is obtained from, and this is obtained from the Streptomyces garriceus, and this streptomycin is used as a part of the multi-drug treatment for the pulmonary TB. Next question 53. Which cell secrete the tissue plasminogen activator? Basically, the endothelial cells releases this tissue plasminogen activators. Next question. Which trace element is found in the wound healing? Option 1 manganese, option 2 magnesium, option 3 selenium, option 4 zinc. The correct answer for this is the option 4 zinc. But why zinc? Because zinc confers resistance to the epithelial apoptosis through the cytoprotection against the reactive oxygen species. So they protect from the ROS, which are very dangerous and can damage the cells. So correct answer for this is the option 4 zinc. Next question 55. Which type of mutation occur in the sickle cell anemia? First, it is the missense. Option 2, the point mutation. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 4, nonsense mutation. The correct answer for this is the option 3, both 1 and 2, missense and the point mutation. Nonsense mutation is a type of mutation in which there is the involvement of the stop codon, and this sickle cell anemia is the example of the missense mutation and the point mutation. In this, what happens, there is the change from the glutamic acid to the valine, and this mutation occurs in the hemoglobin beta genes, that is in the chromosome 11. Next question 56. Which of the following enzyme is the lactamase inhibitor? The correct answer for this is the clavulanic acid, that is option 1 is the correct answer. Next question 57. A 12-year-old boy measures his height against a small tree by hammering a nail at his height. The boy is 4 feet tall and the tree is 8 feet tall. The boy grows into a 6 feet tall man of 22 and comes back to the tree which has been growing by a feet every 2 years. When he comes back at 22 years and later after 42 years, what is the distance of the nails from the ground? The correct answer for this is the 4 feet and the 4 feet, because there is the no change in the position of these nails, because the growth take place from the upper part of the tree, not from the lower part. So the correct answer is the option 2, that is it remains the same. Next question 58. Recessive inheritance is inferred from. For the inference of the recessive inheritance, there is the we look for the phenotype. The correct answer for this is the option 1, that is phenotype. Next question 59. Recombination frequency is measure of the distance between two genes. It indicates the relative distance between the two genes. Next question 60. A test cross in a model organism is carried out between option 1, a heterozygote and recessive homozygote. Option 2, two heterozygotes. Option 3, a heterozygote and the dominant homozygote. Option 4, offspring and the parent both heterozygotes. The correct answer for this is the a heterozygote and the recessive homozygote. Next question, question 61. Linkage between loci is a deviation from the laws of inheritance. That is option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, question 62. For a mutation to be stably inherited, it should be occur. It should be occur in all somatic cells. It should be occur on both the homologous in a diploid. It occurs in a gamete. It should be random. If it occurs in the somatic cell, it is not able to pass to the new generation. So, need to pass to the new generation. It should be inherited from the gametes. So it should be occur in the gametes so that it can be inherited into the next generation. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following statement is untrue? Means which is not true. Basically the option 4th is the correct answer, means that is the not true. An increase in entropy results in the greater positive value of delta G and the greater chance of binding. This is the false statement. Next question, question 64. Which secondary messenger is generated as a result of action of the nitrous oxide? The correct answer for this is the option 2, that is the cyclic GMP. Question 65. Which of the following is not a G protein coupled receptors? 1. Muscarinic receptor, 1. Glycine receptor, 3. Androgenic receptor, 4. Glutamate receptor. In this, only the glycine receptors is not an GPCR. This is basically the ligand gated chloride ion channel. So, the option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, question 66. Which of the following is not a typical messenger for a tyrosine kinase linked receptor? Option 1, insulin. Option 2, acetylcholine. Option 3, growth factors. Option 4, cytokines. Here the correct answer for this is the option 2, that is acetylcholine. Next question, question 67. Which of the following statements best explain the action of the lithium salts in treating manic depressive illness? The correct answer for this is they inhibits a glycogen synthase kinase. Okay. Correct answer is the option 4th, that is they inhibit a glycogen synthase kinase. Next question, question 68. Which of the following term best describes a drug that binds to an active site and inhibits the enzyme, and where inhibition decreases when the substrate concentration is increases? Basically, this happens during the reversible inhibitors. During the reversible inhibitors, if the concentration of the substrate is increased, then these inhibitors get displaced and our substrate can able to bind to the active site. So the correct answer for this is the option 3, reversible inhibitor or the competitive inhibitor. Next question, question 69. Which of the following is not used as a measure of the enzyme activity? Option 1, EC50. Option 2, Ki. Option 3, IC50. Option 4, log P. Basically, all these EC50, Ki and the IC50 are used for measuring the enzyme activity, and this log P is the correct answer. That is not used in the measure of the enzyme activity because this log P helps in measuring the lipophilicity, which means helps to predict in vivo permeability of the active compounds in the drug discovery. So the correct answer is the option 4, log P. Next question, question 70. Which of the following terms applies to the maximum biological effect resulting from a drug binding to its target? Here the maximum resulting effect is asked. So the correct answer for this is the option 2, that is efficacy.